Hello students, in this video we are going to read class 6 English book Honeysuckle chapter 4 poem Beauty. We will read the summary of the poem first. Let's enjoy the summary. That is very interesting poem. The poem reiterates that beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. The poet conveys the idea that we are surrounded by beauty from everywhere. The nature has assimilated every beautiful thing from every nook and corner. Nature has created music and rhythm in all its activities. Beauty is observed in every creature of the nature, be it the sunlight, the trees, birds, farmers, worker that works in fields are working hard in sync with nature. Seeing blossoming and ripening of the harvest, the farmers dance. When everything becomes quiet, one could hear clearly the sound of falling of raindrops, blowing of wind, muttering of singers. The poet emphasized that beauty lies in doing good works, having positive thoughts. One must keep on doing their good deeds. It should be reflected in your leisure time and even while taking rest. Now, word meaning, there are some words in the lesson you should know. Corn means grain, harvest, taking in of crops, chanting, sing simple song, earnest, sincere, deeds means action, and falling, dropping. Stanza 1. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working are dancing for their harvest. Its explanation. Beauty is all around us. It can be felt and seen in the nature's gifts like trees, birds, etc. Growing of corn, blooming of a fruit, laden plant from a seed, and in tilling the harvest, make them to dance to show their miseest. Stanza 2. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Explanation of this stanza 2. Beauty can be witnessed and experienced at night, also blowing of breeze, falling of raindrops. Anything done with a sincere endeavor can be noticed at the night. Lyrical singers get attention and soothe the soul at night. Stanza 3. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Explanation of last stanza. The poet affirms that beauty lies in eyes of beholders. Great works and happiness done with good attention stays in mind. Their impact is imperishable. It reflects though one's action. A person can have good and comfortable sleep when he is satisfied in life. Thank you.